guys. So I'm here to talk about the template and the keyword research that I've been working with for quite a few years. I love this spreadsheet because it just immediately passes to me like estimations. And again, guys, these are estimations based in formulas that are on the Google Sheet that just gives me an idea of what can I achieve with certain thresholds of numbers, so the CTR, conversion forecast, and the average order value. So I will just talk about the template a little bit so you guys feel more comfortable. One of the things that I love is, and I will use for this case, I will use like a client that I have for in the music industry, and they have different wind instruments, but I will focus on the saxophone. And on the saxophone side, I usually like to create different tabs for different kind of themes. I call it themes. Different people use it different namings or conventions. For me, that's themes. So I usually like to focus on keywords that are category keywords. So for this particular case, the category means that inside of saxophones we have alto saxophone, soprano saxophone, tenor saxophone. So it's different sounds. And different tunes, I would say, on the saxophone side. And I'm just exploring these categories of products inside of the saxophones. Afterwards, I go for the intent keywords. So usually everything that it's concerned to price, buy, sale, keywords that are on the end of the funnel. I usually make again a more top of the funnel keyword than more kind of intentional buying keyword in here. And then I go for client type is like beginner, professional, saxophone, good beginner. So it's like, is the client type, is it a certain type of client that is looking for a specific keyword? You can do differently, but this is for this case of music. This is what I'm using. And then finally, we have saxophone for schools. There's a lot of schools and universities and that just wants to buy instruments in bulk, and they also can order the saxophone. So, and obviously, we also have the competitors. But what I wanted to say about this and about the template is, and the cool thing for me, and it works really good for me, and I want to pass this to you guys, and obviously, adjust to whatever you guys decide, is that this spreadsheet just automatically, whenever you add a keyword in here, let's say saxophone, saxophone, I don't know, silver, so color or something like that, and I add like a value in here, let's say like 2000, I don't know. The cool part of this is that the search volume will adapt to whatever number you put in here. Okay, so it just adds all of this volume of all of these keywords, and it will kind of get a volume. Um, and then the average CPC does the same, right? So it just collects all the CPCs in here and does the average. And this is where I think it's really useful to have this is we estimate the clicks by putting like the expected CTR over here. So if you expect a higher or lower CTR, you just come in here and just you change that. Don't forget that you can also use this in multiple places. So imagine that the categories, you think you'll have a CTR, but for the intent, you'll have a different CTR. Maybe a lower CTR because more people are there, or the conversion rate is for example lower on the categories, higher on the intent, and you can almost create like each one of these calculations for each one of the themes that we have, because ultimately we have top of the funnel, end of the funnel keywords in here, so it's important to have that in mind. Sometimes because I'm just collecting data, I use like a rough estimate. I explain this to the client afterwards, but yeah. So, yeah, basically, I was explaining. You guys have all the formulas in here. So I estimate the clicks using the CTR. I estimate the costs using so E5, E5, and D5. Obviously, I mean clicks. multiplied by the average CPC, and then I estimate the clicks using the CTR that I have in here, and then it gives me the estimate CPA, and using the average order value that I can also change, I get a number, right? I have to say that these numbers that we are seeing here, um, they are, and I'm already running this account, so I would say that we don't we don't have like um, this estimation in terms of costs. The market is not that big, but the conversion rate is pretty close, so with the brand included. So yeah, this is again a tool. The objective of this template is just to give you guys the possibility of creating the keyword research and then showing to the client what is your rough estimation. And again, you can create different estimations for different themes. You just need to create this over here, and just these estimations are for intent, these estimations are for categories, these estimations are for saxophones for schools, and you can keep like adapting everything, and yeah, and basically that's it, guys. Any questions? Obviously this is a completely open template, so you can make a copy, and then you guys can change the formulas. Be aware that sometimes you guys, whenever you guys are, collecting all the volume of the keywords, you guys possibly need to go to B2 to B9, right? So in here, B2 to B9, B9 is here. But maybe you guys have like more keywords, so just be sure that you will put like B12, and just adjust the template accordingly with the needs. But ultimately, what I really wish is that you guys get more, information for yourselves and for the clients regarding to the first perspective of things. And then it's very cool to see this template and then see the reality after 1 month. And even if you want to extend the keyword research, because meanwhile you found a lot of keywords from the search terms, you want to add and continue adding this template. And again, I think the keyword research is a very important stage of things, and yeah, and hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. And yeah, also give me a feedback of the things that I can improve in here. Definitely always looking forward to hear things about improving this template. So awesome. My contribution for the community. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Speak to you guys soon, hopefully.